something to worry about when you're reporting because the centralized exchanges are going to send your information to the IRS at the end of the year, but they're only going to send them the part that says that you sold crypto. They're not necessarily going to send the part that says you bought crypto that was worth something. And what this means is if you only have the exchange saying you sold crypto, that number one means that you need to report, because if you don't report and your exchange says you sold crypto and you don't say anything about it, then the IRS has the right to come after you and be like, hey, we see you sold crypto. Why don't we have any money from your gains? So that is a big audit flag. But the way that the AI is generating the captions and everything, it kept describing this that I described as an audit flag if you don't report the cost basis. Now let's get this straight, because if you don't report the cost basis, you will be paying lots of taxes. But the IRS doesn't care if you report the cost basis, because what works out is, hello, I sold a Bitcoin for $100,000 and then I don't report the cost basis. That means that I'm reporting gains of $100,000, and that means I'm paying taxes. And if I'm in the highest tax bracket, for instance, I'm paying 37% of that in taxes. Now, the IRS would be happy to get $37,000 in taxes, and they're not going to flag your account for an audit because they would like to keep the $37,000 that you mistakenly paid them, because the truth of the matter is most of us paid something for that Bitcoin.